Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Qlaryce. I'm a recording musical artist, and on today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make pigeon peas in coconut cream and milk, also commonly known as Mbaazi Zenazi. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to remove all the unwanted stuff from the pigeon peas or Mbaazi. Then we are going to wash it twice in clean water. Wash it. Wash it very well. And then after washing it, we are going to soak it for 4 hours in hot water. After soaking it for 4 hours, we are going to cook it on medium heat till it's soft and cooked. After it's cooked, we strain it, and then we set the soup aside, or the pigeon peas water aside. After that, these are the ingredients for the next step. So we are going to prepare the ingredients, cutting the onions, grating the garlic, grating the ginger. After all this is ready, we move to the next step, which is putting them in a pot and adding the onions, garlic and ginger. Then the cardamom, paprika, black pepper, turmeric, and the coconut milk all over it. Then we are going to dip them in the milk, but we are not going to mix them. We're just going to dip the ingredients in the milk like that. Then you're going to cover it and cook it on low heat, on medium-low heat. Oh, I forgot the salt, so there I'm adding the salt. So we're going to cook it on medium-low heat for a while. Then we're going to warm up some coconut cream, and then we're going to add the coconut cream, distributing it all over the pigeon peas. We're gonna cook that for a while. Then we are going to cut some coriander and add the coriander onto the peas, distributing this all over as well. Then you're gonna remove that from the heat and add coconut cream on top. Adding it, distributing it all over, sinking it in like that. Yeah, sinking it in like that, making sure it's everywhere, it's distributed everywhere. And then we cook something to eat it with next. So I chose chapati. You can choose to eat the pigeon peas with mahamri or rice or something else. Chapati is just my preference. So here I am cooking chapati in this my new pan. I recently visited upcountry and discovered that this pan cooks so well when we had a family get together. So I went and bought it, and I am using it to cook chapatis. As you can see, the chapatis have turned out so nice. I love them. Yeah, there I am, spinning the chapatis. Turn it the other side, spin it. Yeah, after that it's ready, we serve the pigeon peas. Now if you like chili, you can also add chili. Voila, delicious. I enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you get to try it and share in the comments your results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my songs on my Qlaryce music channel. See you soon.